Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products and bring you honest, expert reviews. Today, we're reviewing the SkinMedica Total Defense Plus Repair F34 Tinted Sunscreen for the face. This sunscreen promises not only to protect against UVA, UVB, and harmful infrared rays, but also to help reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. And with its lightweight formula, it's said to be especially ideal for oily and combination skin types. So, let's see if it lives up to the hype. Let's start with a quick look at what this product offers. The SkinMedica Total Defense Plus Repair is a tinted sunscreen that combines sun protection with anti-aging benefits. The 2.3-ounce tube is designed to provide broad-spectrum protection from both UV and infrared damage, while also helping to improve the appearance of sun-damaged skin. It features a unique blend of antioxidants and peptides, which are claimed to help protect the skin from environmental stressors and reduce visible signs of aging. Now, how did this perform during real-world testing? First off, I love how lightweight it feels on the skin. It didn't leave any greasy residue, which is a big plus for those of us with oily or combination skin. The tint, though subtle, did help even out my complexion, giving me a natural glow without that dreaded white cast you sometimes get from sunscreens. It blended into my skin effortlessly and wore beautifully throughout the day. I wore it both on its own and under makeup, and it worked equally well either way. The texture was smooth and non-sticky, which made it easy to apply and layer. As for its anti-aging claims, while it's too early to give a definitive verdict on long-term improvements to wrinkles, I did notice that my skin looked more hydrated and appeared smoother after consistent use. It's great that it offers both immediate and potential long-term benefits. The formula feels like it's doing more than just protecting. It's actively working to improve the look of your skin, and that's always a win. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the SPF protection is strong, and the formula is lightweight, making it perfect for oily skin. The tint is a big plus, as it adds that extra touch of complexion enhancement without being heavy or cakey. I also love the antioxidants and peptides in the mix, which are great for long-term skin health. On the downside, while it's a great product for daily use, the price might be a little steep for some. If you're on a tighter budget, you might find more affordable options with similar protection, though they may lack the added skin benefits like peptides. When it comes to value for money, the SkinMedica Total Defense Repair SPF 34 does offer great sun protection, plus the added benefits of antioxidants and anti-aging properties. However, whether it justifies the price depends on what you're looking for. If you want a sunscreen that does more than just protect and also provide skin-improving benefits, then it could be worth the investment. But if you're just looking for basic protection, there are other options at a lower price point. In terms of durability and build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. The tube design is easy to carry around, and the twist cap is secure, so there's no risk of leaks. It's also a great size for travel, and given that you don't need a ton of product for full coverage, this tube should last a decent amount of time. So how does it compare to other sunscreens? While there are plenty of sunscreens on the market, this one stands out because it combines sun protection with anti-aging benefits. There are certainly more affordable tinted sunscreens, but if you're after something that multitasks and has that added skin benefit, SkinMedica is a strong contender. If you're in the market for a new sunscreen and are looking for something that goes beyond just protecting your skin, this one's a great choice. If you're on a budget though, you might want to explore other options that can offer similar sun protection without the added anti-aging perks. To sum it up, the SkinMedica Total Defense Plus Repair SPF 34 Tinted Sunscreen is a solid product, especially for those who are concerned with both sun protection and signs of aging. It's ideal for those with oily or combination skin, thanks to its lightweight, non-greasy formula. However, the price might not be for everyone, especially if you don't need the added anti-aging ingredients. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description box or comments for the link to purchase. If you've tried this sunscreen, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.